this video, let's see another numerical problem based on inverse trigonometric functions. We have already seen many numerical problems based on the concepts which we have studied. This is another problem in succession to those. Let's see what the question has to say and let's get started with the solution. The question is, simplify sin inverse sin x plus cos x upon root 2 in the whole and x has some range defined minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Let's write the solution together and solve it. I have in the bracket sin x plus cos x whole upon root 2. This will help me to judge few things and use a formula accordingly. Outside is sin inverse, does not change, and since outside is sin inverse, my inside should be a formula in sin. I can write sin x multiply by 1 by root 2 plus cos x multiplied by 1 by root 2 to the question, because whole upon root 2 can be split into two parts. Now, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is what? It is sin a plus b, which we have already studied. So, I have a formula which I will be using, which is sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. And since it is a formula, let's write it in a box. We use the formula for this question. Sin inverse outside does not change. Inside it is sin A, where A is x, cos B, where cos B is your whole 1 by root 2, cos A, sin B, so it is sin B. So now let's see as to when is the value of cos and sin equal. Cos and sin both are 1 by root 2 at 45 degrees, which is pi by 4. So that means cos B equal to sin B, and that means my angle B is what? It is pi by 4, which is 45 degrees. Now everything is very much crystal clear in front of us. We just have to write it down. So sin inverse sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Right. Now it is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, which is sin A plus B. So I apply the formula sin inverse outside, sin A plus B inside, that means sin x plus pi by 4 inside. Sin inverse and sin get cancelled or nullified. The final answer is what? It is x plus pi by 4 is my final answer. So in this video, we saw another numerical problem which involved the use of the formula sin A plus B, which is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Why did we use sin formula? Because outside there was sin inverse and we wanted things to nullify and cancel each other at the end of the step. So the answer is x plus pi by 4.